Welcome back to Infinity Webpro. In this video, you're going to know more about domain. You cannot have a website without a domain name. It's like a street address that tells people where you live. Just like that, a domain helps customers drive directly to your website. A domain is also commonly known as web address. Why do you need a domain? To stake your claim. By registering your domain name related to your big idea or your business name, keeping others away from using your name to pull traffic away from your website. Take control with a domain name. You can send customers, friends and prospects wherever you want, whether that's a website, blog, social page or storefront. Protect your rights. Your domain gives you an exclusive piece of digital real estate that cannot be used by anyone else, as long as it's registered to you. What is a domain extensions? Domain extensions, also known as top-level domain or TLDs, there are the suffixes or the last part of a domain name, the letters that come after the dot to the right of any domain name, like your company name.com. Now there are literally hundreds for you to choose from. A web address they well remember. Here's some of the popular domain extension and have more than 700 plus domain extension. Use your domain by building a professional website or an e-commerce store. You can even connect your Facebook page. Can also create a professional email with your domain name. Contact Infinity Webpro and get free consultation with our expert team to help you with finding a perfect domain name and registering it. Also help to use your domain. Visit our website infinitywebpro.com. Write a comment below. Do you want a free domain consultation with yes or no? Subscribe to our channel to get notified with the latest helpful videos.